हाय, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे कि आप लोग इंस्टाग्राम के ज़रिए से जो है वो किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो लास्ट वीडियोस के अंदर हमने बात की थी फेसबुक से आप लोग इस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग किया उसके ज़रिए से। तो अगर आप लोग जानना चाहते हैं डेली बेसिस के ऊपर ऑनलाइन अर्निंग से रिलेटेड जो है आप लोग वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कर दीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज की वीडियो में हमने बात करनी है इंस्टाग्राम से आप लोग किस तरह से अर्निंग करेंगे। तो इफ़ यू एवर वंडर हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, you are not alone. The platform avoided creator monetization for a good while, but since it started sharing an ad revenue in 2020, it's introduced more revenue earning features. Here a guide on how to make money on Instagram. Do Instagram users get paid? Yes, it's become a legitimate source of income for many users, with everyone from micro influencers to mega stars getting in on the action. To put it into perspective, The Rock earned more than $1.5 million per post in 2021. You are probably not going to make Dwayne Johnson money, but you can certainly earn a good slice on the platform. How do you start making money on Instagram? Like other social media platforms, there is more than one path to cash. Here they are. Partner with brands. Find a brand that suits you and your content creator. Tailor-made sponsored posts that chime with brand and your online persona. You negotiate the terms of deal so stronger your channel and more engaged your followers are, the higher the wage. On average, an established micro-influencer can earn between $250 and $300 for a sponsored post. Partnering with brands for a sponsored post is currently the best way to earn on Instagram, but it's not a direct monetization option, as in Instagram doesn't get a say when it comes to how much you make from a particular deal. However, there are other ways to get paid straight from Insta. Go live with badges. You can enable badges during Instagram live sessions. These are little tokens your followers can buy to support you financially at $0.99, $1.99, and $4.99 increment. They show up in the live session as heart, which is kinda cute. Creators receive 100% of badge revenue minus any pesky taxes or services fee. Badges are essentially tips, meaning viewers can show their appreciation during a live session with more than just words. There is a cap of $250 per viewer each session, so if you are lucky enough to have a millionaire watching, this isn't the best way for them to support you, but for the fans who want to reward you with a little something, this is perfect. Allow ads on an Instagram video. Enable instant video ads and let commercial roll through your videos on Instagram. If you choose to do so, you will receive 55% of any ad revenue. The same cut YouTube takes. How much you earn depends on how many views you rack up, and it's paid monthly. It's also a passive form of income, meaning you don't have to do anything extra to make that money. As long as you do you and achieve the engagement, that money is yours. Open up shop. If you have got stuff to sell, hop on board by converting to a business or creator account and uploading a product catalog. You can broaden your product or services reach and appeal through Insta. Before this option existed, creators had to externally link to their merch either in their bio or post. Housing your products on Instagram shopping makes it easier for your current followers alongside new fans to access everything you sell under one roof. You can integrate your shop within your content too. For example, if you are selling hats, wear that hat in your next post. You will obviously look great, and when people wonder where they can buy one, they will tap the tag you have assigned the hat, and it will link them straight to the product page in your Instagram shop. Reach new milestones and receive bonuses. Does Instagram pay for 1,000 followers? There isn't a magic number that determines when you start earning money on Instagram, as your worth is determined through quality rather than quantity. You need decent level of engagement for brand to become interested in you and your ad worthiness to grow. 10,000 low engagement followers are probably worth less than a busy fan base that constantly comments. However, those फर्स्ट 1000 फॉलोअर्स आर अ क्रूशियल फर्स्ट माइलस्टोन। तो जितने भी फॉलोअर हैं एंगेजमेंट अच्छी होनी चाहिए, ठीक है, यानी कि आपके पोस्ट के ऊपर कमेंट्स लाइक्स वगैरह आते हों, तो फिर ब्रांड्स जो है वो इंटरेस्टेड होंगे आपके साथ स्पॉन्सरशिप पर काम करने में और डिफरेंट चीज़ें। तो ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो, जिसके अंदर इंस्टाग्राम से अर्निंग आप लोग किस तरह से कर सकते हैं, इस हवाले से हमने बात की। उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। आप लोगों से मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।